Delivered in 2005 and specified in Pentland Green with Obsidian Black hides and special Forest Green Alcantara interior. Additional features of this attractive example included a diamond quilted Alcantara headlining and optional stainless steel mesh grills to the bonnet and front valance. Last sold by ourselves in 2011 to a long-term Aston Martin collector, maintenance has been carried out in our own workshops and previously Aston Martin main agents. With just 15,900 miles covered, this distinctive Vanquish S is in superb condition, commensurate with the mileage. Prior to delivery to its next custodian, the car will receive its next scheduled service and be supplied with 12 months warranty and MOT certificate. Endowed with 520 horsepower and a robotised manual transmission, the Vanquish S had a top speed of 200 miles an hour with a 0 to 60 time of just 4.8 seconds. Whilst production of the Vanquish S was circa 1,000 cars, approximately 50% were built for export in left-hand drive configuration. Debuted at the 2004 Paris Motor Show, the Vanquish S, in production for 3 years, was the last of the hand-built production cars constructed at the renowned Newport Pagnell facilities prior to closure and total production moving to Gaydon. The last of the hand-built cars and the first of the new technology cars, the Vanquish has become collected not least for its distinctive styling, vivid performance and sonorous soundtrack.